Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to remove third-party access from your Google account in just a few simple steps. First, head over to your Google account settings. Click on Personal Info and Privacy. Here, you'll find a list of all third-party apps and websites connected to your account. Simply click on the app you want to remove and hit Remove Access. And that's it! You've successfully removed third-party access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching!